Hi folks, JJ Webb, General Manager of Pelche Chevrolet, the truck giant in East Texas, and we're excited to announce Chevy's Truck Month is going on now during the month of March.
That's right, it's Truck Month at Pelche, a truck month like never before. How about up to $10,000 off Chevy Silverados and available 0% financing for up to 72 months?
But you better hurry, Chevy's Truck Month is going on now during the month of March, so shop the truck giant in East Texas, Pelche Chevrolet, Lufkin. Chevy runs deep.